The head tracker comes with a fixing kit and a couple of pieces of Velcro. If you own headphones with a removable pad on the headband, you won't need to open the kit at all. Just open up the pad and ensure that the head tracker is placed as centrally as possible, which is easier if you plug it in first. Then close the pad around it and you're ready to go. For most other situations, the fixing kit comes in handy. There are two sizes of silicone band. The hooks turn these bands into ties without scratching your headphones or straining them, but it's still safer to place the hooks on top of or near to the head tracker so you're not giving them a chance to rub any paint off. Pick the length of band that seems most appropriate. If they're both a little short, you can link them together. The Velcro is intended mostly to relieve strain on cables, but you might find other uses for it. The three slightly thicker areas of the head tracker are where the sensors are. These are the best fastening positions. On its own, the fixing kit may not be enough for certain headphones. For example, Ollo and AKG both make many models where the structural part is a thin metal lattice, and a separate stretchy part conforms with your head. This can make it hard to get a fit tight enough that the tracker won't slip. If you're using these, we'd recommend investing in a set of glue dots. These can be bought inexpensively at stationers or craft stores. The repositionable kind are formulated in a way that won't mark or damage anything they're stuck to. Place them under the head tracker and it will help to secure it in place. Not much adheres to silicone, unfortunately, so if you have headphones with a narrow silicone band, it might be a great time to start a headphone collection. Whenever you fit the head tracker into a new set of headphones, you should recalibrate the compass. From the tracker settings panel, hit the calibrate button, and then move the headphones around. A bit of yaw, then a bit of pitch, then a bit of roll, followed by a few compound rotations. The game is to show the head tracker your environment as well as you can in 5 seconds. If it won't calibrate, there's probably too much of the wrong kind of steel near the sensor and it just can't compensate for it. See the other video on reducing drift if you're forced to fall back on the other sensors. Incidentally, these hooks are 3D printed. Over the years, we've changed our materials and processes. Early ones could be very brittle, so if you've destroyed yours, please do let us know and we can arrange to send you some more.